Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I have an easy recipe for you. It's what I like to call my chicken celery soup. I'm starting here with half of a chicken that I cut up and wash. To that I'm going to add some seasoned salt, complete seasoning, black pepper, some chopped onion, and 2 big cloves of chopped garlic. I've noticed the garlic they get in Belize, the cloves are really small compared to the ones we get here in the States. So if where you live the cloves are really small, definitely use more than 2. So to my pot set over medium-high heat, I'm spraying in some olive oil in the pot. And I don't really need a lot of oil just because I'm leaving the skin on the chicken. Give that a stir and let that cook 10 to 15 minutes just so the chicken could brown up. If you don't like olive bone on your chicken, you can use chicken thighs or whatever meat you like. But we as Belizeans, we like fully bony meat. We always have to have some kind of bone in the pot. And by the way, I'm only cooking half of a chicken because it's just my husband and I. So I don't need to cook a whole chicken, otherwise we'll be eating chicken soup for years. Anyway, so after the chicken got nice and brown, I'm adding some water to it. And I'm putting a lot of water because remember, this is a soup. And now I'm adding my Sazon to that. And I love this. It just makes it so good. Now I'm going to turn up the heat and let that come to a boil. Then I'm going to cover it and lower the heat to medium and let that cook 30 minutes. At this point, I like to add the celery. And if you think you're someone that don't like celery, trust me, when it finish cook, you can't even tell it's celery because it doesn't have that strong celery taste. I mean, I don't like raw celery, but when I cook it, I like it. So you just want to let that come to a boil again and lower it back to medium and let that cook 10 more minutes. It doesn't take long to cook the celery. And that's it, you're done. Turn off the stove. Well, not really done, but I have one more thing I like to add, and I just like to stir in some chopped cilantro. That just does something to the soup. You just can't skip this part. It's very important. I have many different ways I like to eat this. I like to eat it with either corn tortilla or boiled cassava or cornbread or rice. Whatever you feel like eat it with, it's up to you. Well, I hope you give this recipe a try. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.